I would like really, Your Excellency, to express my sincere gratitude on behalf of the Chairperson to the People's Republic of China for their continued support and partnership with the African Union, and especially the China mission to the AU in Addis Ababa for all the efforts provided to come up with this great opportunity. These proposed training sessions are instrumental in promoting mutual understanding and improving the effectiveness of cooperation frameworks that exist between China and AU.
In 2024, China could provide more than 1,000 training programs covering 17 areas such as finance, trade, public management, and information technology.